I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will first confirm prerequisites: Node, JS LTS, and the Firebase CLI. Once confirmed, open your project in Vscode and install helpful extensions for code hygiene. Next, run npm init to create package JSON so Firebase has a project root. Then log in with Firebase login to authenticate your account. Make sure you select the correct Google account. Finally, run Firebase init and choose features to start the repository configuration. This gets the repo ready for the next detailed steps. Now you will initialize the specific Firebase services. During Firebase init, pick hosting, Firestore functions, and emulators as needed. Once done, choose JavaScript or TypeScript and confirm build output paths. Make sure to set your public folder for hosting and to deploy single-page apps if required. After initialization, install Firebase SDK, npm install Firebase for client code, and Firebase admin for server functions. Then wire configuration by copying the Firebase config object into your Vscode environment variable. To finish, build your app, then test locally with Firebase emulators. Start. This confirms functions, Firestore, and hosting work together. Once satisfied, run Firebase deploy to push hosting and functions. Make sure you select the correct project with Firebase use or project flag. If deployment fails, examine the CLI logs and check Vscode terminal output. Often the issue is mismatched project ID or missing environment keys. If things go wrong, verify API key, project ID, and auth settings in your Firebase console as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.